If I wear these in the Sahara, will it look like I'm walking on sand? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Sole Post, and this is another Sole Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Max 1 Desert Camo. Now, this colorway is essentially just a desert camo colorway. There's no real special meaning, reason, rhyme behind it. I do look at it like the little spots on it. They do remind me of kind of like a cheetah colorway though. But outside of that, it's just a regular Nike Air Max 1 colorway. However, what I noticed is that the way that the print is designed, it looks like no two shoes are alike, or at least the left shoe and the right shoe are different. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is bleach, black, and praline. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a mostly canvas upper with the desert camo print right on top of it, and that takes up the majority of the shoe. Take a look at the toe. You have a desert camo toe box, as well as the desert camo toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you have the black laces, as well as the desert camo canvas tongue, and you have a black tongue tag with the Nike Air logo and beach. Moving towards the heel, you've got a black suede Nike swoosh, as well as more of the canvas design. For the heel, you've got more of the desert camo print, as well as a black Nike swoosh. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the desert camo print, as well as the black suede Nike swoosh. You have a white midsole with the exposed Nike. Now let's get to the detail looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
The Nike Air Max 1 Beach Camo hits Nike retailers at Nike.com on July 5th for a retail price of $130.
Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.